The Mary Valley Rattler is a historic steam train run out of Gympie. It heads out to Amamoor and back. It's about a 3-hour journey through the beautiful Mary Valley. On train days, there is such an amazing atmosphere. It is full of excitement. People of all ages can't wait to board the train, and you can just literally feel the energy pulsating off the platform. One of the greatest things about the Mary Valley Rattler is that you can bring your dog on board. They get to come on board and enjoy the train experience with you in a separate carriage that's safe for everybody. The experience of the Mary Valley Rattler is like no other. A steam train is something we don't see a lot of, and so the feeling and the emotion that generates, it's palpable here on the station, and every single person can feel it as they walk away after a terrific day.